Go for it, Anthony. Come on.
At like 65 miles an hour on the highway, when you open it up and then you drop it to like fourth and floor it, no one's louder than you. I don't care if it's a Mustang. I don't care if it's a Ferrari. I don't care what it is. You're the loudest thing. Although you can't hear yourself think. Like, and then the nice part though is
do it. Show off to these muscle guys. Just do it.
Right.
Just do it. Do it fast. You can fuck with people so hard.
yeah, you really can.
Was that